Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? For this video I have a major update for the Brera, one that I have been looking forward to for a very long time, and I finally found the parts. So I think it's gonna look absolutely stunning for the Brera. And what it is, it's the front and rear styling kit to complete the OEM Lineaccessori body kit for the Brera. They are already fully painted in beautiful Nero Carbonio, and the only thing left to do is gluing them onto the car with adhesive silicones. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting that done. And I think this kit is absolutely stunning for the Brera. They make the body a little bit lower, a little bit wider, a little bit more aggressive. And I think especially at the rear with the big exhaust, it's going to look epic. And with this front and rear spoiler, the full body kit will be finally complete. And that is always a thing that I've always was looking forward to. It's very rare, and getting these parts was not easy, but yeah, luckily we found them, and now yeah, with these front and rear spoilers kits together with the side skirts, the full body kit will be complete, and Brenda's exterior will be finally done. So really happy with that. I already test fitted the front spoiler to the Brera, so it only needs to get glued to the car now. For that I'm gonna tape off the edges so that no silicone can get onto the bumper, and then it's just a matter of applying adhesive primer to the car so that the adhesive silicone will stick very nicely, and then apply the bumper to the car. And once it's cured, we can wash the car and give the spoilers a wax coating so that they're a little bit protected from the elements, and then it's just a matter of enjoying the car. For the rear styling kit, I do need to take the OEM stock spoiler off, which I think I am going to miss a little bit, because I think that stock spoiler looks very cool on the Brera, and it's functional as well. But for downforce, I don't think it's really necessary, because the Brera weighs around 1500 kilos, so I think it will stay planted to the road even with a body kit. But in the end I think it's gonna look really cool, because yeah, this body kit just makes the car a little bit more wider, a little bit more lower and aggressive. So yeah, really looking forward to it. So yeah, let's start with applying the body kit. The styling kit comes also with a manual, same as for the side skirts. I think it's really cool. And mounting of the front spoiler is very easy. Basically these studs need to get onto the bolted connection for the front bumper, because the styling kit is slightly lower, and it gets fixed with bolts, and the rest is just yeah, making sure all the adhesive silicone is at all the contact points. And as mentioned in here as well, is that you need adhesive primer applied to the front spoiler, but to the bumper as well, and that makes the connection way more better, way better. It sticks to the surfaces way better than without using that primer. So yeah, very cool manual. So yeah, let's start with gluing the front spoiler. So guys, the front spoiler is glued to the bumper. Luckily everything went well. And now it's just a matter of waiting for the adhesive to cure. So just to be safe, I'm going to wait 48 hours to unwrap all the tape, and then we can continue on the rear bumper. So see you in 48 hours. So guys, 48 hours have passed, so it should be safe to remove the tape. Hopefully everything went well, so yeah, let's find out. So guys, the tape is removed and I'm relieved that everything went well. The only thing left to do is to clean and polish the seams and remove any excess tape, and then give it a nice wash and wax coating. But I'm really happy with how it came out, especially in Nero Carbonio. I think it's very subtle yet very aggressive, and it just looks really cool, and it almost reminds me a little bit of a shark. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm really loving it, and I can't wait to complete the entire body kit. So have to continue with the rear, but I can't do that yet, unfortunately, because I need a multi-tool to cut into the old bumper, because they need a little extra cutout at the exhaust. So yeah, I need to get me a multi-tool first before I can continue that. So that is for our next video. So hopefully you like this one. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully see you next video. Bye.